So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with lots of important opportunity from the various company. So first important hiring from the webtec, they are hiring for the role of intern engineering and freshers can apply for this important job. So this will be your overview. You will, as an intern, you will be part of product in digital solutions. Example, port, rail domain, and intern is expected to have basic SDLC language, means software development lifecycle knowledge you should have. By the meantime, if you don't have notes of SDLC, you can just go through it from our WhatsApp Telegram group. Just join there. I have shared all the previous material there. Okay, and you should have knowledge on programming, either C, C++, Java, Python. Should have knowledge on front-end technology such as Angular, JS, and cloud technology. Then this will be added advantage. Moving to next important opportunity, and this is also a wonderful opportunity for freshers, Noida. So send your resume to this mail ID, and the role is junior software developer. So freshers are eligible, and workday will be 5 day, Monday to Friday, and these will responsibility you work on report and dashboard support, data management, debug issues, and provide support and participate in testing. These are the required skill. Oops concept you should have a strong grasp, good problem solving होना चाहिए, and strong communication skill. Moving to next important hiring from the Nokia, they are hiring for the role of associate R2R accounting, and this is also a wonderful opportunity. Finally, Nokia is also hiring, and though this is outdated company, but they are building a lot of research framework in Chennai and other regions. So you can apply for this. Okay, this is also a good company. So those who have bachelor degree in accounting, finance, or business or related field, or pursuing, means currently they mentioned currently pursuing, means 2026 can also apply. So if you are from account domains, or if you know any candidates from account domain, then you can just share this job link with them. Moving to next important opportunity. So job opportunity, data analyst, repute, means company repute and experience 1-2. Means if you have experience in 2024 pass out or 2025 pass out, if you have some knowledge or experience, you can just share your mail to this mail ID or contact them directly. Moving to next important opportunity, that is from the Power School. They are hiring for the role of order management associate. So you will basically work on order management, and this is a kind of not to profile this your responsibility. You will ensure revenue and billing schedules, generate credit memo, drive continuous improvement, ensure, understand, and execute. And freshers are because if you are from accounting or finance background, then this will be a wonderful opportunity. Friends, next important opportunity, that is related to IT job. So American Change hiring for the role of project coordinator, and earlier they also announced the hiring for the developer, but this is the role for project coordinator. So if you are interested and you should be comfortable in night shift, then you can just apply or send your resume to this mail ID. Okay, shall provide all the job in the description. You can apply them directly. Dear friends, I suggest keep applying for off-campus drive. Okay, currently students, those who apply from the Gensa Technology, from the Amazon, from IBM, they are getting the assessment mail. Okay, so don't, means just apply with your updated resume. And those who have NQT exam, just best of luck to all of you. Just focus on the coding part and the tips and hacks which are already provided. And if you need any preparation material, just you can get from my Telegram or WhatsApp group. Okay, so coming to last important opportunity, that is from that is for the location of Navi Mumbai, and 2025 to 2026 campus internship ISC Navi Mumbai, and on site you have to work. They will be responsible assessing, modeling material, identifying, evaluating trade-off, and developing innovative solution methodology. So qualifications, individuals should pursue master degree in supply chains or engineering related field. So this is for master degree only. So if you have bachelor degree, just you can apply for the Bipro role. As I said, they have recently announced the hiring and Harman. So that's a lots of important opportunity I'm posting on my channel. So hope informative to you. कोई भी query, feel free to ask, share, comment है. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.